Now, the main formula that is used in the whole chapter is simple interest, which is equals to principal multiply rate multiply time divides by 100. Here, P stands for principal, R stands for rate of interest, and T stands for time. This formula is used in all the questions. Here is some tips and tricks. When the time is given in months, it should be divided by 12 to convert it into years. Why? Because 1 year contains 12 months. So we should divide the term with 12 to convert it into years. And when the time is given in days, it should be divided by 365 to convert into years. Why? Because 1 year is equals to 365 days except leap year. Because leap year में कितने days होते हैं? 366. Now here is some questions that is related to your checkpoint. First question, that is question number 2 that we have done. What is the simple interest due? What is the simple interest due after 120 days for rupees 6,400 at 10%? Now, first we should write the terms which are given. Here the principal amount is 6,400. रेट इज इक्वल्स टू 10%. बिकॉज मैंने बताया था कहीं पे भी अगर परसेंट वाली टर्म हो वो हमारा होगा रेट. एंड टाइम इज इक्वल्स टू 120 डेज. यहाँ पे टाइम हमारा 120 डेज है और मैंने आपको पीछे बताया कि अगर डेज में है तो उसके हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे ईयर में. देन वी शुड डिवाइड 120 by 365 to convert it into year. Then we should apply the formula of simple interest, which is equals to P multiply R multiply T divides by 100. Now we have to put the values of all the terms which are given. Principal is equals to 6,400, rate is equals to 10, and time is equals to 120. Okay, and in denominator 100 multiply by 365 because we have time in fraction, that is 120 divided by 365. Now we have to cancel the terms, so zeros are cut with zeros, and there is some simple calculation. Just cancel the terms and we get our answer, which is equals to 210.41. This is our interest or simple interest. That is the extra money that we should pay with our principal amount. Now we have to calculate the amount, which is equals to principal plus simple interest. So we have to put the value of principal, which is equals to 6,400 plus simple interest is equals to 210.41. Then we have to add both the terms and then we get the amount. This is your simple question. Now here we have to do question number 4, that is Kalpana deposited rupees 4,440 in a bank. कल्पना ने 4,440 रुपीज़ डिपॉजिट किए बैंक में फॉर अ पीरियड ऑफ 4 years and 6 months. कितने टाइम पीरियड के लिए? 4 years and 6 months. The bank offered simple interest at the rate of 4% per year. बैंक ने कितना रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट रखा है? 4% per year. What we have to find? We have to find the total amount that Kalpana will receive. Now, firstly we have to write the terms which are given. Here principal amount is 4,440, rate is 4%, and time is 4 years and 6 months. Here the first term, that is 4 years, is also in year, but the 6 month we have to convert the month time into years. So we should divide it by 12. Then we have to add both the terms, that is 4 plus 6 by 12. Then there is some simple calculation and LCM part, so you will get the time in 9 by 2 years. Then after getting the time in years, we should apply the simple interest formula, that is P multiply R multiply T divides by 100. Here P stands for principal, R stands for rate, and T stands for time. then just put the values and you get the answer by doing calculation part. Here you get your answer, that is simple interest, which is equals to 799.2. After getting the simple interest, you have to count the amount, that is principal plus simple interest, then adding both of these terms and then get amount that you should pay, that Kalpana will pay it after particular period of time. Now the question is question number 5. Fareed took a loan of rupees 18,000 from a bank. फरीद ने 18,000 का लोन लिया विच इज़ आर प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट, क्योंकि उसने वो मनी बोरो की, विद सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फॉर एज मैनी ईयर्स एट द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. यहाँ पे ये वाली लाइन अच्छे से रीड करो. एज मैनी ईयर्स एज द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, जितना रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट होगा उतने ईयर्स तक उसने क्या ली, मनी बोरो की. अब ना तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमें रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पता है एंड ना ही इस क्वेश्चन में हमें टाइम पीरियड पता है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इन दोनों टर्म्स को लेट कर लेंगे और उन्होंने बोला है दोनों सेम होनी चाहिए, तो हम क्या करेंगे, लेट टाइम इज इक्वल्स टू एक्स एंड रेट इज ऑल्सो एक्स. हेयर इफ ही पेड रुपीज दिस एज द इंटरेस्ट, अगर वो 8,820 रुपीज एज अ इंटरेस्ट दे रहा है तो हमारा वो क्या हो गया, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. व्हाट वाज द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, अब उन्होंने बोला है कि रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट निकालो इस पूरी जो टर्म्स दी हैं उनको सोल्व करके. अब हमने क्या करना है, वी शुड अप्लाई सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फॉर्मूला, दैट इज प्रिंसिपल मल्टीप्लाई रेट मल्टीप्लाई टाइम डिवाइड बाय 100, देन जस्ट डूइंग सिंपल कैलकुलेशन and we get the term x which is equals to 7. So our rate is 7% and our time is 7 years, because rate is always represented in percentage and time should be in years. Okay, thank you.